to turn on or turn off show sound labels in Expressive Captions for live caption in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Open settings, tap the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select hearing enhancements, and then tap live caption. Scroll down the screen, select Expressive Captions, and then on show sound labels, tap switch until blue to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Show sound labels, including sounds like laughter, applause, and music. Okay, tap switch until blue to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.